we will click on add new tag, right? This tag will be called conversion linker. It you know it uh, integrates Google Ad with uh, the Google Analytics. So we click here. You will have to, if you don't get here, you will try conversion. You will get this, right? This one, this icon. Choose conversion linker. Enable linking on all page URLs. Then go to triggering. It should be applied in all the pages and name this as conversion linker, right? Save this, and then you need to submit this, and conversion linker submitted, and you publish this. It gets published, and that's it, right? Conversion linker. Okay.